Good morning, dragon fruit lover. A little update in my dragon fruit jungle in April. Today we have beautiful day and they said tomorrow there is rain. We'll see. A lot of new growth. All my cutting, they are rooted. Sour basket. And this is the one I grafted last video. You see, it's doing good now. Yes, the grafting is success. Even the cutting have, let's call it fake branch, because it start like buds and switch to be branch. This is one of the purple variety. I love how they look. Every buds look different. You see here around there's a little bit of red. Most of the variety now have a lot of buds. This is Coney Meyer. I love Coney Meyer. When they start the buds, they are red. This is a red variety. I think this is physical graffiti. Yeah, they are starting having buds now. A lot of new growth. Look, it's golden yellow. Too many. I don't need that. Every day, if I miss one day, the works are gonna be double or triple. Look, this Coney Meyer buds, how beautiful. Look how they start. Beautiful Coney Meyer. I love it. Coney Meyer, beautiful flower, and even the fruit tastes good. Hint of coconut, I love them. And give you a lot of fruit. Look this branch, how many buds here. Coney Meyer, one of the really heavy, productive, give you a lot of fruit. The size of the fruit is not that big, but still tastes good and give you a lot of fruit. But you need to be sure you have a pollen, because this is a cross pollination. If you have a Coney Meyer or KVA or Brony, this is sisters. You need a pollen from sugar dragon or different variety. This is American Beauty. This is the first bud of this year, but there's something weird. When that opened the flower, it doesn't have any pollen. Is that happened with somebody? If that happened with somebody, let me know. When this one opened like 3 days ago, it doesn't have any kind of pollen. And it looks like it's not going through. I lost it. This is American Beauty. but we have two here. I think they are okay. And even I got some of the pollen to use it in Country Road. And Country Road doing good. But the first bud have no pollen. I don't know why. If anybody have answer for that or something happened like that and what's the reason, leave me a comment please and tell me why that's happened. Here's another Connie Meyer here. See, there is 1, 2, 3. Oh, Connie Meyer give a lot of fruit. Here's one more here. And here's Sour Patch Kids. I let it go up in the tree. I love this location. You see the green, and look how big that flower maybe is gonna open tonight or maybe tomorrow. Really beautiful. And like always, Country Road, a lot of fruit, thick branches, a lot of buds. Every branch have buds. Look how beautiful. And here we have Orejona. Last year Orejona started early. Here's Orejona start. Orejona, I love it. This is Orejona red. We start have buds. Have very beautiful flower and buds. Dark red, flush, tasty fruit. The yellow Palora too have. This is, I don't know how fast they go. New growth. There's some buds too. This is one of the Assunta 5 seedling. It's growth from seed. I got it from my friend. Seeds. And I did not graft it. This is like maybe 4 years old. I don't get any fruit yet, but I like it have the white stuff on it. I hope this year I'm gonna get fruit. And look how I kept it in the same bud. I will see. It's going down. We'll see if I'm gonna get fruit from it. This is growth from the seed. I don't graft it. It take forever. Maybe this is the 4th year. But now it's have a nice good branches. We'll see if I got fruit from it and how it tastes. This is Cheyenne. Look how many branches. Too many growth in it. But because the shade of the tree, until now I don't see any buds here. And I like when the summer dragon, they give you the flower here. That's usually no. This is Harry's Comet. In this trellis, we have the Assunta 4. A lot of new growth. I don't see any buds here. This is the new trellis here, have Enigma and San Espinasse. It's doing good. I notice Enigma in the winter, the branches like it turned the color to a little bit, but now they became healthy and green. This is one of my plant. Last year I don't have cover, I don't protect it. It's getting all yellow. I cut everything and now it's turned back. Everything new growth, clean and green. This is Desert King Diego. We start seeing some buds here on it too. It's a springtime, a lot of new green branches. So nice. Grape up have a lot of new branches here. I don't see any buds now. Konigi, not yet, because I installed the new cover here to protect them from the sun, and that's protect, but they need the sun, because I notice all the sides they are facing the sun. They give buds early. Assunta one last year gave me buds too early. This year until now I don't see anything. But anyway, this year we have the buds even early. I start have buds in February, last year in May, because we have hot weather this year. Makisuba and neon. Makisuba, all the buds, they turn to be a branch because the weather getting cold at night. I explained that in my old videos. American Beauty, a lot of new growth. I need to prune all of that. We have Lisa here. Now we are April. I don't see any buds here. Sometimes the location of the plant. Here in this side, there's not too much sun. Where there's more sun, you're gonna get more buds. But be sure, too much sun, sunburn. This is Delight. All these new branches, they are Delight. And here's a Vietnamese red, new growth. Here we have Roxford. Roxford, it tastes good, I love it. Natural Mystic, last year gave me early fruit. I don't see any buds now. We are in April, not yet. This is one of my favorite white variety. It tastes like lychees, have a lot of big branches. It get last year a little bit of sun damage, but no problem. They are dry now. That's why I'm telling you, anything after they dry, sun damage, or any cactus or anything, any raspberry, no problem. As soon as they dry, they follow the sun. Valdivia Roja, I don't see any. And here, this is Sienna. Sugar Dragon, my favorite, I love it. Sugar Dragon, I need Sugar Dragon because I need the pollen. Now start giving buds. Sugar Dragon, very sweet, but small, but you need the pollen for all the variety. It's universal pollination. You can use their pollen to pollinate any kind of dragon fruit. This is Sugar Dragon. Always there is ants, because even the buds look like they are sweet. The ant came for all that sugar stuff. This is one of the white variety. I graft a Patricia, A5 Patricia here. An A5 Paco actually here. high graft. And we have a KVA here, grafted. This is KV8. KV8 give you buds here early. In this Tranas, we have cotton candy and jade red. And there's one here, Teresia. I don't see any buds right now. Godzilla here, no buds. And Dark Star, I don't see any buds here. Look, anybody know what's the name of this tree? Leave a comment and tell me. Do you like this kind of fruit? You see, I put this net to cover them from the animals. The squirrel, they're gonna eat them. And the parrot, you see? Did you like this fruit? This is a Robles red. This is fast grower. Look how many branches. George's red. Anybody hear about this variety? The Mac. I don't get any fruit yet. We'll see. El Garollo. This is white variety. I grafted Sugar Dragon, and look how grafting go. All my new rooted one, they are ready to go. Anybody interested, local, you can stop by here in Covina. I have a lot of variety already rooted already. This is Pink Panther here. This is A5 grafted. This is a giant orange. And this is Alpino. The season start now. Just we're gonna do update every month, and when we have fruit, we're gonna taste all the new varieties together. If you love dragon fruit, just don't forget to subscribe and share and like to taste and watch together how the dragon fruit go. I hope you enjoy all my videos. Thank you for watching.